Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.1. Now problem number 7. Given sin theta plus cos theta that is equal to root 3, then you have to prove tan theta plus cot theta equals 1. Then subdivision number 2, given root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equals 0, then we have to show tan 3 theta equals 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. Here question number 7, subdivision number 1. What is given? Sin theta plus cos theta equals root 3. We have to prove this result, tan theta plus cot theta equals 1. So this is given. For getting the result, squaring on both sides. On squaring, that is sin theta plus cos theta the whole square, that is equal to root 3 square. Here you can apply a plus b whole square identity. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the identity. This is the identity we are going to apply here. A that is equal to sin theta and b that is equal to cos theta. Now a square, a that is sin theta the whole square is sin square theta, b square that is cos theta the whole square is cos square theta plus 2 into a into b, that is sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to root 3 square is 3. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Together is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equal to 3. So 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to 3 plus 1 comes right hand side minus 1. For 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to 2. Therefore sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to 2 divided by 2. Then sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to 1. Right? Let it be equation number 1. Now for proving this result, I am considering tan theta plus cot theta. That is in LHS, tan theta plus cot theta. Consider. You know the formula for tan theta, that is sin theta divided by cos theta. Cot theta formula, cos theta divided by sin theta. Then here both the denominators are different, so you can multiply these two. Sin theta into sin theta is sin squared theta. Then cos theta into cos theta is cos squared theta divided by, multiply both the denominators, cos theta into sin theta. That is equal to, particularly sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. That is equal to 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Here it is, what is the value? 1. Sin cos, cos sin same only. So this can be replaced by 1. It is taken from first equation. So 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. Hence proved. Look at that. You are asked to prove tan theta plus cot theta, that is equal to 1 only. Subdivision number 1 is completed. Now subdivision number 2. What is given? Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equals 0. So this is given. I am retaining root 3 sin theta in the left hand side. It comes right hand side plus cos theta, which implies sin theta divided by cos theta, that is equal to 1 divided by root 3. Cos theta comes to the denominator. Here root 3 comes to the denominator in the right hand side. So I have to write 1 by root 3 the right hand side. We know that sin theta by cos theta formula, that is tan theta. Tan theta, that is equal to 1 divided by root 3, which implies theta, that is equal to 30 degrees, because tan 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 3. I got the value of theta. Now consider LHS of subdivision number 2. You are asked to prove this result. I take LHS tan 3 theta. Okay, in subdivision number 1 this is LHS, this one is RHS. In subdivision number 2 LHS is tan 3 theta, that is equal to tan 3 theta, that is equal to 30 degrees. 3 into 30, that is equal to 90 degrees. 90, tan 90 is undefined. We can call it as infinity. Now RHS, what is in RHS? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta 1 minus 3 tan square theta, that is equal to 3. The theta can be replaced by 30 degrees. 3 into tan 30 degrees minus tan cube 30 degrees divided by 1 minus 3 tan squared 30 degrees equals 3 into tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 the whole cube, whole divided by 1 minus 3 into tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 the whole square equals 3 into 1 3 divided by root 3 minus 1 cube is 1 divided by root 3 cube is root 3 into root 3 into root 3 divided by, particularly this 3 can be replaced by root 3 into root 3, because root 3 into root 3 is 3 only. Root 3 get cancelled. 1 minus 3 into, so 1 squared is 1 divided by root 3 squared is 3. 3 get cancelled. So what is the numerator? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3 divided by 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Anything by 0 that is equal to undefined, that is infinity. Look at that. LHS is infinity. Even RHS we have proved is infinity. Therefore LHS equals RHS. Therefore LHS, that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So problem number 7 is completed. Then I'll be teaching that problem number 8 in the next video. Thank you, children.